in Newport, South Wales, so I'm Welsh by birth.
I'm very proud to be Welsh, but I'm ashamed to say that I can't speak Welsh. So I'm proud to be Welsh, but I'm not Welsh as much as I want to be.
I've always had this kind of romantic relationship with Wales. You just have to look at the place to see why. And learning the language is another element of that.
The Welsh connection for me is that I was born in Llandovery and I have a Welsh godmother, Dill Griffiths, and that's a Welsh name. And my cousin lives in Barry, Di Evans, so that's pretty Welsh.
I think I've always felt really proud and Welsh. I did all my education in Wales. I went to Aberystwyth University. That was my first attempt at learning Welsh.
All people who grew up in Newport, you have to learn Welsh till you're 13.
We were taught some things in school, but we definitely weren't taught any Welsh. I don't remember any Welsh being taught at all.
And I didn't find it very easy.
I didn't even learn like diolch, is that right? Yeah, see? Stick with me, kids.
When I first went up to North Wales to do the Eisteddfod yn Llangefni, I first met people who only spoke Welsh and didn't understand how I could be a real Welshman if I didn't speak the Welsh language, and I just couldn't get my head around that.
I remember going to Clwb Ifo Bach, trying to speak the Welsh I'd learnt, and they were almost cross with me because I wasn't saying it properly. So I didn't feel it was that sort of a support with some Welsh speakers. And I think these days that sort of seems to have changed. Everybody's very supportive of anybody who's trying to learn Welsh.
It's something that I've kind of been secretly wanting to do, waiting for an opportunity to have a second crack at learning what is, in fact, you know, my mother tongue.
When you're immersed in it and you've got no choice but everything you hear coming in is another language, it comes in so much quicker and you absorb so much that hopefully this time you know, I can get beyond just a little bit of chit-chat in the pub and talk about rugby and hopefully learn a bit more.